So you can't probably tell because this is a random stone wall, but I'm at Mont St Michel, and today we're going to share how to get here on public transportation. The best thing about Europe is you can get almost anywhere on public transportation, and Mont St Michel is one of the most iconic locations in France. So to start off, we're going to, of course, first tell you how to get here from Paris, since that's where most likely you'll be coming from. I don't necessarily recommend using public transportation for a day trip. It's definitely doable, but I think you will be too rushed to truly enjoy everything that Mont St Michel has to offer. You can check out our other video about what we did staying here for 2 days. There is plenty to do. I know people were kind of like, why are you staying that long? But I think it's worth it, and I think there's plenty to explore. So starting in Paris, if you're doing a day trip, you'll have to leave on the very first train at 6:48. That one, it costs 25 euros from when I checked, and it gets to Rennes at 8:15. And Rennes is actually a really pretty little town. I also feel like people were like, why are you going to Rennes? Because we decided to go and spend 2 nights in Rennes as well. The day we landed in Paris, we took the train to Rennes and then stayed the night. And the next morning we explored, and in the next morning we took the bus to Mont Saint Michel. So beautiful town. I think it's worth visiting since you're going to spend 50 euros round trip on your train ticket from Paris to Rennes. You might as well get some more out of that and experience another new city in France. The train station and the bus station in Rennes are right next to each other, so it's really easy to just walk over. You're going to follow the signs for Gare Routière, and you exit the train station. All the buses are just there to the right. The bus ticket to Mont Saint Michel is 15 euros one way, or if you buy round trip, it's 25 euros total. I believe you can buy tickets in the station. I saw people with little printout receipt tickets, but I would recommend purchasing in advance. The buses are pretty large. They're double-decker. They have some nice windows on the top and everything, which is pretty cool because you have some nice views. But I would recommend purchasing in advance, even though a lot of people fit, especially in busy season, just because you want to make sure you have a ticket. It would be unfortunate to show up and either have to wait for the next bus or just not be able to make it at all. The bus is really easy to use. You get on, and an hour and 15 minutes later, you are at the small town outside of Mont Saint Michel. There's 2 buses a day though, which doesn't seem like a lot, which is why I recommend, again, booking in advance. First bus leaves at 8:45 a.m. The next one leaves at, I believe, 12:45. And then on the way back, it leaves at 11:15 or 5 p.m. Once you take the bus and you're in Mont Saint Michel, you have to take a free shuttle to get to the actual Mont. So they'll drop you off near the Tourist Information Center. And then you take the free shuttle. There's 4 stops. So if you're staying in a hotel in the little town, you can get off at one of those other stops to drop your stuff off at your hotel. Otherwise, there are 4 stops. The last stop is the Mont, and you're there. It drops you off about 400 meters, and the shuttle comes every 8 minutes, so it's very easy to catch. It runs from 7:30 in the morning till 11 p.m. So if you want to go into town for dinner or anything, or early in the morning, or if you're staying in the town and want to come to the Mont early in the morning or later at night, you definitely can. It's not hard at all. There can be lines though. The biggest problem we had visiting in March was there are a ton of school groups. So when we got to the visitor center after taking the bus, we were behind a huge school group. So even if you're not coming in busy season, I think that they keep it busy with lots of school groups. I hope that helps you plan your trip to visit Mont Saint Michel on public transportation. Round trip, you're going to spend $75 per person. So I think it is useful or a better use of your money to stay an extra day or two in either in Rennes or in the area to explore. We are headed back to Paris today. Our bus leaves at 11:15. We get to Rennes at 12:30, and then we're taking the 1:30 train to Paris. So it's been a wonderful trip, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.